Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2. Let's continue with replacing your brake drums. Installing the new brake drum. Now it's time to install the new brake drum. Follow these steps to ensure it's done correctly. 1. Clean the new drum. Use brake cleaner to remove any protective coating on the new drum. 2. Position the drum. Align the new brake drum over the brake shoes. Make sure it's seated properly. 3. Reattach the wheel. Place the wheel back on and hand tighten the lug nuts. 4. Lower the car. Carefully remove the jack stands and lower the car back to the ground. 5. Tighten lug nuts. Once the car is on the ground, tighten the lug nuts securely in a star pattern. Adjusting the brake shoes. Finally, you need to adjust the brake shoes to ensure optimal performance. 1. Access the adjuster. Find the adjustment hole on the back of the brake assembly. 2. Adjust the shoes. Use a brake adjusting tool to turn the star wheel. Turn it until the shoes lightly touch the new drum. 3. Test the brakes. Pump the brake pedal several times to ensure the shoes are properly seated. Test drive. Always take a test drive at low speeds to make sure everything is working correctly before hitting the main roads. By following these steps, you can confidently replace your brake drums and keep your car running safely. Stay tuned for more sections on ensuring your brakes perform their best. Testing the brakes. After replacing the brake drums, you need to test the brakes to ensure they're working properly. Here's how to do it step by step. Initial brake test. Before you take your car back on the road, start with an initial brake test in a safe and controlled environment. Follow these steps. 1. Start the car. Begin by starting your car and letting it idle for a moment. 2. Press the brake pedal. Gently press the brake pedal a few times while your car is in the park. This helps to seat the brake shoes against the new drum. 3. Check for resistance. Notice how the brake pedal feels. It should be firm and not spongy. If it feels spongy, there might be air in the brake lines, which needs to be bled out. 4. Engage emergency brake. Test the emergency brake to ensure it's also functioning correctly. Pull the emergency brake lever or press the pedal, depending on your vehicle, to check its responsiveness. This initial test helps make sure the brake components are installed correctly and are functioning as they should be. Road testing. Once the initial brake test is complete, it's time to take your car for a road test. Follow these steps to confirm the new brake drums are performing correctly. 1. Drive at low speed. Start by driving around your neighborhood or an empty parking lot at low speeds, around 20 miles per hour. 2. Gentle braking. Apply the brakes gently to check their response. Listen for any unusual noises and observe how the car responds. 3. Progressive braking. Gradually increase your speed to around 30-40 miles per hour and apply the brakes more firmly. This checks if the brakes can handle more force without issues. 4. Test with turns. Turn the car while braking to make sure the brakes function well even during cornering. 5. Hard braking test. Find a safe and empty stretch of road and perform a harder brake test. Accelerate to around 40-50 miles per hour and then brake firmly. The car should come to a smooth, controlled stop without pulling to one side. 6. Monitor performance. Pay attention to how the brakes feel. They should be silent, smooth, and responsive. There shouldn't be any vibrations or pulling. Observations and adjustments. During the road test, take note of the following: noises. Any squeaking, grinding, or unusual noises. Vibrations. Are there any vibrations or shaking when you brake? Pulling. Does the car pull to one side? Pedal feel. Is the brake pedal firm and responsive? If you notice any of these issues, you may need to readjust the brake shoes or inspect other components for potential problems. It's better to catch and fix these issues early, ensuring your braking system is in perfect condition before regular driving. Performing these tests thoroughly ensures your newly replaced brake drums are installed correctly and working as they should. This not only keeps you safe but also prolongs the life of your braking system. Maintenance tips for brake drums. Taking care of your brake drums helps keep your vehicle safe and saves you money on costly repairs. Here are 2 key maintenance tips to ensure your brake drums last as long as possible. Regular inspections. Regular brake system inspections are vital for catching problems early and ensuring your safety. Why are inspections important? Catch issues early. Finding problems early can prevent bigger, more expensive repairs down the line. Ensure safety. Regular checks make sure your brakes are always in top condition, which keeps you safe on the road. What to look for during inspections. 1. Brake drum condition. Look for cracks, deep grooves, or rust. These are signs that the drum might need replacing. 2. Brake shoes wear. Check the brake shoes for wear. Uneven or excessive wear means they need to be replaced. 3. Hardware and springs. Make sure the springs and other small parts are intact and not worn out. Damaged hardware can affect braking performance. 4. Brake fluid. Look for leaks near the wheel cylinder. Any sign of brake fluid means you'll need to fix this issue immediately. Pro tip: schedule an inspection every 12,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. If you notice any issues, don't wait, address them right away. Proper driving habits. Believe it or not, the way you drive can significantly impact the lifespan of your brake drums. How driving habits affect brake drums. Frequent hard braking. Constant hard braking creates more heat and friction, which can wear out brake drums faster. Carrying heavy loads. Carrying extra weight places additional strain on your brakes, leading to faster wear. Stop and go traffic. This kind of driving means constant braking, which can wear out brake drums and shoes quickly. Tips for better driving habits. 1. Brake gently. Try to brake smoothly and gradually whenever possible. 2. Maintain safe distance. Keep a safe distance from the car in front of you to avoid hard braking. 3. Plan your trips. Avoid peak traffic hours when possible to reduce the time spent in stop-and-go traffic. 4. Lighten the load. Don't carry unnecessary weight in your vehicle. Only carry what you need, especially for long trips. Pro tip: practice defensive driving. Not only will it keep you safe, but it will also extend the life of your brake components. By following these maintenance tips, you can help ensure your brake drums stay in good condition for longer. Regular inspections and adopting good driving habits are simple but effective ways to keep your brakes working properly and safely. Replacing brake drums is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's safety. This guide covered everything from understanding what brake drums are to the actual replacement process. We also highlighted the importance of regular inspections and adopting smart driving habits. Staying on top of brake drum maintenance can prevent accidents and save you money over time. Don't ignore the warning signs, and always prioritize your safety on the road. With these tips, you'll have a reliable NF. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.